Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I will show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So open your Snapchat app, and then as you can see on your screen, tap on message. So here you can see all your friends right over here. But if you want, for example, block a account, you need to go to your account and tap on three dots, manage friendship, and then block on this account. Then you can do it again to this account, then tap the three dots again, manage friendships, and then tap on black. So how to unblock this account on your Snapchat? So go to the profile at the top right corner and then go to the gear icon, which is the settings. Then I want you to scroll down until the bottom, and then you can see at the bottom the blocked options right here, and you can see here all your black contacts or black accounts right over here. Then all you're gonna do is tap this X button to unblock account on your Snapchat. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to notify you to the next video.